non-stick baking mats, which come in a 2-pack. I purchased these because I was tired of constantly cleaning my baking sheets, and I wanted to get something that was easy to use and safe as well. So let me tell you a little more about these baking sheets. First, they are made of silicone, so they are easy to scrub and clean when you are done with them, and they have a good stick to them, so they won't slip and slide when in use. They are perfect to use if you don't have any cooking spray left and need to stick a baking sheet in the oven. All you have to do is stick this on your baking sheet and that's it. No cooking spray needed. Another reason I love these baking mats is they don't take up a lot of storage. They are super thin and they can bend and roll however you want them to. They also have a heat limit of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. I've owned these for quite a while now and they still look shiny and clean. Cooking has gotten so much easier and I definitely recommend this product.